here, and today we back with another video, and today we're gonna be making some Rice Krispies treat Oreos. So yeah, and we have Sam. Say hey, y'all. Hey. Okay.
Listen, guys, it's your boy James, and we are back with another video.
We miss y'all.
Guys, we about to make the Rice Krispies treat Oreos, and we about to get started. Now, you guys know how to make this video.
Yeah.
You guys know how to make these. Just look it up. There's a lot of videos.
Yeah, and if we like it, we gonna recommend it to y'all try it. All YouTubers recommend us trying this.
And we've been going for a minute. You know why?
What?
Because
We don't know. We took a break. I don't know.
But look, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share it. You know what I'm
And like that, like it. Say
Push that like
subscribe.
button. Get this to 5 likes. 5 likes. Get to 5 likes. And we'll drop another video below. So let's get started. So first, guys, we have the butter.
We got butter.
We have the butter. Now, say 6 teaspoons. 6 teaspoons of butter. Now we gotta cut the butter.
We didn't cut the
6
butter.
teaspoons. You got the little things right here on the butter.
And if Doodle mocking James, that's because Doodle happy to be in our video.
So you got the knife, you got the butter.
Oh, we got nothing.
Now we gotta cut the butter. 6 teaspoons. Turn the stove on.
Let's cut the burner. Jam is coming out.
No, it's not like that. Oh my God. It's not.
You gotta cut the butter into 6 teaspoons. Look. Put this in the pan, guys. So, and
I got it.
put it in and you let it melt.
I got it. Got.
Okay.
Let it melt. 6 teaspoons.
Sit next right here. Sit right here. Give me the butter. We don't need it.
I got it.
Butter.
Put it in here. Put it in here.
I don't do that, so it's just really good.
Must melt.
Guys, we are melting the butter. 6 teaspoons of butter. Melting. So we're gonna let this melt, and we're gonna get back to you.
Okay, so now we about to put 20 Oreos inside of here and crunch them up, okay? So now James is about to put 20 Oreos inside of the Ziploc bag and crunch them up.
We're gonna count the Oreos.
Count them Oreos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20. Now, pick it up. Gotta make sure all the Oreos crunched up. Now guys, we are back. Now, this say 10 ounces. We're gonna put 8 ounces in here. 8 ounces, that's like right here. So we're gonna pour it. Marshmallows. Okay. Now, that's 8 ounces. Now we're gonna stir. We're gonna stir. Stir. Keep stirring. You gotta get it. Stop it. Come on, guys.
We gotta do 5 cups of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
Now we're gonna. Okay, now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of vanilla extra. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to be stirring it.
Like Christmas trees.
Now we're going to add a half a bag of marshmallows. It smells good.
Half a bag.
Half a bag.
Good. Yeah, see? Good.
Okay.
Now we're gonna stir.
And
Alright guys, now we gotta add
wait.
our Oreos! Oreo.
Oreos!
Yay! The whole thing. Yay!
Yay!
Oreos!
Okay, now we're gonna stir it.
Now we're gonna stir. Stir. Keep stirring. Yay! Now we're gonna get the pan. Get the pan, man.
It's still not, it's sticky.
It don't matter. You get the pan.
Okay.
Get the pan.
Okay. As long as Mike want to be air, don't mind him.
Get the pan. Hold on, guys. Stir. Now, guys, we're gonna pour that in here. And they say we gotta eat it once it gets cool, but we're probably gonna put it in the refrigerator. Now, guys, spread it all out. Now we're gonna spread it all out. Now we're gonna spread it out. Okay. Now, is this still warm? Still warm. Now, guys, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator. 5 minutes. We'll be back.
Okay, y'all. So we took it out the refrigerator and we had set a timer for 5 minutes. And this really looked like it looked good and yummy, like good. So I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna cut James a piece. Like,
And guys, she's gonna be the taster. We're gonna taste it and see how it is.
I don't know.
Go over it,
good.
It's good. What's it good?
It's good.
A 10 out of 10? That's it, guys. We made Rice Krispie treat Oreos.
It is very good.
Oreo Rice Krispie treats. That's how you say it. So, we did this with 10 out of 10. You guys should try it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll drop another video. And we out.